Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to restrict profile on Google Maps, and now let's dive right in. Now to restrict profiles on Google Maps, first open up your Google Maps application on your phone. And after opening your Google Maps application, guys, on this interface at the top right corner of the screen, you can see your profile picture icon available for us at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile picture icon and this kind of interface will appear where you'll be required to tap on the settings option over here, which is at the bottom. Tap on settings and this kind of interface will appear. Now you'll be required to go to the personal content option over here just above the accessibility settings. Tap on personal content, and on this interface scroll down to the bottom of the list, and you can see there is the restricted profile option available for us. In order to restrict the profiles on Google Maps, tap on the toggle icon at the right side where it says the restricted profile, and here it says you will have to approve new followers before they can see your reviews, photos and other content you post on your public profile. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to restrict your profile on Google Maps. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.